Let me video it. It's for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Kala gave mommy. Getting this one for her. This one is a small one. Hey guys. I'm at Kyla's school. I came to drop her off. I'm at Kyla's school. I came to drop her off. Yeah. Really? Let's go. Guys, I'm back. I'm going home now. It's still early. I think I'm going out later to get Kyla bicycle, but that would be like middle of the day, like 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I'll be going to the store where I want to check for a bicycle because it's summertime. The bicycle she have before, when we were moving, I give her the bicycle. So it's summer now, she's going to be needing it. So I'm going to get a new one, this, which is today. I pray I got the one she wants, because she said she wants frozen cartoon. You know what that is. So she said she wants that. So I'm going to get that one. So I'm just going to check for where I can get that particular one that she said she wants. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, because I don't have anything special for today. I don't have anything that I'm going to be doing today. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm be doing today. So yeah, okay, see you guys later when I'm off to get the bicycle. Surely let you guys know how everything went. Guys, let me go home. Yeah, see you later when I go to the store. Okay, the last time I got this one, so today I'm going to get this one. I'm going to be getting this one for her. This one, that's good. I'm getting this one for her. This one is a small one. Yes, so hey, how are you?
Hi. I love going like
Come on, let's take this way. Let's take this way.
this way.
Yeah.
Let me not go this way.
Okay. Hi.
Hey, open it, please. That's this way.
Wow, airplane. Wow. So far.
Yeah, this is too far. It's
Yeah.
flying around. It's
So big. It's for me. Thank you. Thank you. It's so beautiful. Kala gave mommy flower.
more flowers.
More flower. Tomorrow you give mommy another flower. Okay? Thank you. I'm done fixing the chair. Let me just get the chair. Here is the chair. I fixed it. I was supposed to take the pink color, but I have this one, so everything don't have to be pink. In fact, there's nothing pink in the room. It's just white. So I'm just going to mix girly tints, not just pink. You understand? So this one is still for girls, so that's why I took this color, and it looks more better than taking the pink. Okay? So this one goes here like this. Yeah. So I'm going to arrange what I got for her. The reading lamp. There is something I ordered. I'm going to put on top of the table, and some other stuff here. And also I'm going to put her lamp here. She normally uses this to sleep. So I'm just going to put the rest of the things once they are here. But for now, I'm just going to put her basket that she arranged some of her things in. So yeah. Yep. Yeah. I'll just put this her basket here and her music box. Her music box, I'll just put it here. So I'll just leave this here first. Once everything is set, I will arrange everything the way I want. And also I got this one from IKEA and I fixed it. I was so tired that day. I was so hungry when I was fixing it. That's why I didn't remember to film it. So I bought this also and I fixed it. I just packed her story books inside, because the one I bought the other time in my former apartment, you have to put it on the wall, which was very bad. I used there is a gum they normally use for putting things on the wall. I used it and it just fell off and the wall was damaged. So I don't want to spend money. I wasn't the one that repaired it. I called the owner of the apartment to fix it, which she did. So I don't want anything to go on here, so I prefer to buy this one. It's more even better for me. It's better, so I just leave it here for now. I'm still trying to arrange it. Doesn't mean I'm done arranging it, just like that. So this was the one I used, the one I bought. So her dad fixed it and we put it on the wall, but it didn't go well because it fell. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna give this out on Facebook, and yeah, since I won't be needing it, I'm going to give it out on Facebook. That's why I just leave it here. Once I snap the picture, I'll just post it on Facebook, and then that's it. So I moved this bed here because for me it's better. I moved this here because it's better. The room belongs to the both of them, so there is space for two beds. You understand? Maybe very soon I'm going to change this one and buy something else. Do you understand? So yeah, like this is okay for now. So I'll just do the other things once the bed and once the things that I order here is set. I'll just arrange everything, her color pencils and all of that there, everything that she has on top of there for her. So yeah, that's that for now.